Yeah, bossy. You talk to her already?
No, whisper. I tell her to the someone talk to her, but she sound a little timid in her voice. So, I said, me never ask you to talk to her. Based on the fact that you're not on the same age level and things, so you should have more understanding.
Alright then. What should I do now?
I think she must say inside and watch the TV now.
Alright. I can deal with it.
Alright, and let me know.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night, whisper.
Alright.
Okay, I'm going for this one. What up?
Alright.
Bubbles no say you come around here?
No, but it's a time thing. That's always a fit. Rotate.
And I think it looks suspicious when I come out here to you. I literally sneak out of the house, you know. Suppose you come in the living room and I see me.
Calm down, Tony. You see, if you're outside and talk to me, boss in our prayer, you're good, man.
Okay. At them side, you're carrying normally pass for going and be just have to go doing here. I mean, your new girlfriend. I don't want him to see me out to start talk to you.
So older new girlfriend part the Jappy. Anyways, speaking about Carrie, me need to ask you a question. I want you to be honest with me. You serious about him?
I mean, yeah. Yeah, he's a nice guy. We'll have a look ups and downs sometimes, but yeah, he's a nice guy.
I know why you get the wrong picture. I know why you think say I pray nothing. But you think this is gonna work with you and him based on the work you do now?
I don't know, you know, but think about it sometime. Just up and take it one day at a time.
Donna, you see the work you do now. If them can't get to you, them are gonna get to who you check for. And just I tell you. So you might have to think about what happened. If you want to try me, or you want to keep him.